Hey folks, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, with a quick little video about adding managers or removing managers from your LinkedIn groups. So in order to do this, you have to go to groups, go to work, and then go to groups. This is my group homepage, but I have to go to my groups. Under my groups, here's the groups that I manage up top. These are all the groups I'm in. Let me go to this group right here. Once you're in the group, go over here and click on Manage. Now in the Manage, you can see that here's my admins. I have myself and my wife, who's a business partner. I can remove her as a manager by going to Permissions and demote her to a member. So I can kick her down to being a member. Don't use the remove, that would kick her out of the group. But if I just go to Permissions and demote her to a member, and now she's no longer a manager if I were to do that. If I want to add a manager, it's a little trickier. Let me show you how to do it. Go to Members. Now, don't try to find a member. That won't work. The moment you go to Find Members, it takes away the functionality of Permissions, which is really aggravating. What you have to do is sort the list by last name or sort the list by join date. So if you sort it by join date, this is the last person to join this group. And so now what I can do is go to Permissions and I can make manager. So if you make the person a manager, then they have the ability to do everything that the owner has the ability to do. Now, interesting, once you make them a manager, go back to this admin. Once I make her a manager, look at Permissions. I can transfer ownership to her. So bottom line, you can manage the existing admins from the admin button within your group under Manage Your Group, and you can manage your members and make them managers from here. Remember, don't use search. You've got to use the sort and find them through the sort features. Again, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope that was helpful.